All right, moving on over to Todd Chrisley. He was ordered to pay Georgia Department of Revenue investigators Amy Darty Hines $755,000 for slandering her on social media and podcasts. A jury found Chrisley liable for 2 claims of libel and slander, but not liable on a third. So she was awarded $350,000 in damages, $170,000 in punitive damages, and $235,000 in attorney fees. She filed her defamation lawsuit against Chrisley in July of 2021. In the filing, she claimed that Chrisley began a social media campaign against the Department of Revenue and some of its employees after Todd and his wife, Julie Chrisley, were being investigated for tax evasion. Is this surprising to you?
It is, but we're seeing these big defamation judgments, and we've talked about them. Defamation is hot right now, probably since the Johnny Depp case.
Yeah.
So there's different types of damages that we talked about. One is to make you whole. Those are those compensatory damages. Others are to punish the punitive damages. And of course, some statutes and cases, they do allow for attorney's fees. So that's really what happened here. But anytime you're talking about a more than $500,000 defamation award, that's big money. The question is, though, if the Chrisleys in custody, will the plaintiffs ever be able to collect on this?
Yeah, and that kind of circles back to what we were talking about before, because how are they going to pay this if they are in jail? But it seems like a big win. And like you said, people got to be careful what they're saying on social media too, because people are picking up on it and it can come back and bite you.
Yeah, a lot of these cases did come about on social media. I mean, obviously Johnny Depp was a Washington Post op-ed, but we talked about Alex Jones, we talked about some of these other big cases. You start bashing people on social media and you have a large audience, you may be subject to a defamation lawsuit.
Definitely.